Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fox Den. Welcome back to the vlog. And wow, we got some sun finally. Check this out. It's the first time we've had sun since I've gotten back from vacation. And honestly, I don't think we've had sun here for a few weeks. Honestly, I don't know for sure. But anyway, today we're gonna, well, actually tomorrow, my guy Alex, yeah, his name's Alex too. My guy Alex is coming over with his Infiniti G35, and we're gonna be installing the trunk spoiler. I believe he got the same one as I have. So yeah, I'll show you guys a little install of that. Just simple, quick little install. You know, you gotta get that content out, you know. Alright guys, I almost fell on my ass. Anyway guys, check this sun out. Man, it's so nice. I'm also gonna be going to get a nice little picture of the G, because it's the first time that we've had sun in a very long time. And guys, in other news, Moogie is selling his G. Moogie! What are you doing? Your car's so clean. I don't know. I know he wants that Camaro, but I'm so sad to see that car go. That car is just so clean. But the Camaro will be pretty cool. Obviously, we'll be doing plenty of videos on his Camaro, so looking forward to that. But guys, dude, every day I just come out here and I'm just, when I go somewhere in this car, I'm so excited to just drive it, you know? I mean, wait for it, wait for it. There it is. Oh yeah. You guys, I am still waiting. I'm still looking at the viewfinder constantly. Please forgive me. So yesterday I did start up the SRX and took a little bit to get it going, because the fuel tends to run back into the fuel tank a lot, which isn't really a bad thing because it can prevent the carburetors from getting clogged up again from sitting, but it just kind of makes it a pain. But if you don't let it sit too long, it starts right up. So, but anyway, so the G is filthy right now. I drove it downtown, and it's been just crappy around here. So I'm gonna take it to get it washed real quick. There's just no keeping these cars clean, and I can't wash it myself because the hoses are winterized. God, one thing I wish I had in this garage was floor drain and a hose. That would be so nice. And then I know you guys want to see more of that cinematic footage with this new camera, so we'll get a little bit of that, and I'll get a nice picture for Instagram. And then tomorrow Alex is going to come over and we're going to install the spoiler on his G35 Sedan, and he's also in the silver gang, so I think you guys are going to really like his car, and he wants to do more of his car, so hopefully we can get him in more videos. Oh, I forgot the keys. No, I got to walk all the way back over there. Ah, son of an ass. I know you guys want to hear a cold start of the motor dying exhaust, so we'll get you that right now. Things I do for you guys. Guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I did order a Q60 shift knob for this thing, along with the shift boot. It has the reg stitching, so I believe that's the Red Sport exclusive, so hopefully I'll be here soon. Expect a video on that. And I still can't get over how this interior is turning out, looking really fresh. I'm actually starting to debate if I want to do the steering wheel cover. I did get it in, but honestly that's going to be a huge project, and I'm looking at it and I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. So we'll see about that. However, we are going to be painting this black trim here, and then we'll see what to do from there. Guys, if you're in the Chicago suburbs and you're looking for a really good cheap car wash, Fuller's Car Wash in Palos Heights is seriously the one to go to. $4 you get a really good car wash, much better than the gas stations. And Don Fuller, if you're watching this, how about a sponsorship? Anyway, just a little tip. I know you guys probably think that I just race this car all day long and, like, you know, get crappy gas mileage. I mean, the gas mileage isn't great to begin with, but honestly, I actually drive this car like an old lady 95% of the time. I baby it. I only get on it like every once in a while. You know, I don't want to beat on my car all the time. You know, I only beat on it like every once in a while. You know, I moderate myself. Yeah, this cruising, doing the speed limit. Well, a little bit over the speed limit, like 3 miles an hour. But so we got the car washed, looking a lot better. Just got some pictures for Instagram, and I think they're the best ones I've gotten yet with this camera. Man, I gotta say, this thing's looking real good. I'm mostly done with the car, minus a couple things, but it is looking really good. I'm really happy with the way it looks. Honestly, if you're thinking about vlogging your G build, the real time to do it is when you're stock. That's the time to start. I started way too late, so just a little tip on that. All right, guys, so we will pick it up tomorrow when Alex gets to the house, and we'll show you guys us installing his new spoiler. All right, guys, it is the next day. We have my guy Alex with his G35 in the garage. And we're going to be installing the carbon fiber trunk spoiler now. It is the same one that I have, but for some reason they either changed the design or there's something different about the G35. I think it's more they changed the design with the camera hole not quite fitting correctly. So as a result, it doesn't quite go right on. So we're gonna have to try and trim it a little bit. Hopefully it'll be all right, but honestly should be all right. It goes on almost all the way. So we'll get back to you guys on that, let you know what we did in case you do want to get this spoiler for yourself, because it is a very good spoiler, very nice looking. As you can see, real nice looking carbon fiber there. So I'll let you guys know, and I'll explain how we did it.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
So we managed to get it on. There's one major flaw with this spoiler, and that is the camera hole. We had to cut it a lot more than I had to cut mine. I don't know if that's because of design change, which doesn't make any sense. So we had to grind the bottom of the camera hole. Did the best I could. Another issue is the top piece here tends to kind of lift up. There is a fix for that. What I did with mine is I did use super glue. Now we don't want to do that if we don't have to. It's pretty solid. We did jiggle it around and stuff. If for some reason it becomes a problem, we will have to glue it. However, you would think for being one of the most expensive ones out there, it would fit right then and there, no modification. That's kind of aggravating, but it does look really good. See the carbon. The camera doesn't do it justice at all, but the carbon looks very nice. Now, do we recommend it? Yes, if you know how to put it on. You gotta have a Dremel tool to get it on. It's worth it because it looks way better than the cheap ones. The cheap ones are just, they're terrible. So we will keep you guys updated on how it holds up, but mine's been fine. But this one, they seem to have changed some things, so we'll see. But it is solid, and it looks really good. All right, you guys, this is Alex's G35 Sedan. You're planning on doing stuff to it, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
So we'll be doing videos on that. So we did get the spoiler on. Hopefully it'll hold up. It should be fine though. And I know you guys want to see more of the cinematic shots, so let's get those to you right now.
Come day
That's a muffler delete, guys, and I can honestly tell you in person, there's no rasp to that at all. It sounds fantastic. What are you guys doing hating on muffler deletes all the time? That's honestly the best budget mod you can do to your G. That's crazy. Guys, we got the spoiler installed, looking really, really nice. It's the same as mine, so definitely a really nice looking spoiler. But dude, like, look how much that just transforms the back of the car. These spoilers make all the difference. It's the little things that you do to your G that make the huge differences. All right, so it's getting dark, so we're gonna close this off. Don't forget to follow my guy Alex on Instagram. It'll be right here and in the description. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SilverFoxG37. Don't forget to follow our new racing club at SilverFox Racing Group. Yeah, this thing, it just looks so damn good. How could you not like that? It looks so aggressive. Highly recommend it if you can do the little bit of trimming to do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Fox Pack today. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only legal if you get caught. Stay foxy. And don't forget to follow my guy Alex on Instagram, because he has lots of plans for this G, and you bet your ass we're gonna be making videos on it, because dude, building a G is so fun. It's so fun. It can be aggravating, but it's fun. So we'll see you guys next time.